The Only Thing Wrong with Science is Scientists, Book 1, by Dr. Dan Mason, Ph.D. So let us now continue in Chapter 1. We are on page 11. On the other hand, the doctrine of atheists regarding evolution involves offering a biased argument that advocates for a specific position and perspective, natural selection, while often disregarding or minimizing opposing viewpoints, intelligent design. Their method is compelling as it emphasizes the merits of only one side of the argument. Nevertheless, it is crucial to acknowledge that an argument that presents one side is incomplete if it fails to consider all the relevant data or perspectives. One-sided arguments are commonly employed in academic or formal contexts, particularly in persuasive writings, with the aim of persuading the reader to accept the writer's premise. Atheists provide evidence to support their thesis and discuss counter-arguments only for the purpose of disproving them, therefore reinforcing their own stance. So let me stop here and let us apply some critical thinking. Let us say a computer coder used intricate codes to build a software program. In our human body, we have a more sophisticated genetic coding system that regulates life's physical functions and is accompanied by complex networks of duplication and transmission. How does the issue of complicated information sequencing without intelligence become solved by evolution using natural processes and chance? Monopolizing the marketplace of ideas. John Stuart Mill reminds us, if all mankind minus one were of one opinion, mankind would be no more justified in silencing that one person than he, if he had the power, would be justified in silencing mankind. Therefore, scientific atheists are intentionally excluding important information, which is a highly deceptive strategy that can severely mislead individuals, even judges. Historically, dictatorships in universities and totalitarian governments in high schools and school boards have sought to establish exclusive control over policies and information in educational institutions as a means of exerting authority over the flow of information to the general public. It is quite difficult to recognize such significant prejudice. We are informed that we just lack the cognitive ability to comprehend evolution, without being able to refer to other reliable sources of pertinent information, highlighting the crucial need for a free marketplace of ideas and free speech. Academic freedom. Academic liberty refers to the freedom of a teacher to educate and of a student to study in an academic environment free from outside intervention. It might also cover academics' freedom to criticize politics and society. Presenting a one-sided argument is not always fallacious. Like most fallacies, it is necessary to analyze the context of the argument. For example, an atheist in a classroom is allowed to present a biased case in favor of evolution and does not have to distribute evidence to establish the intelligent design presenting. It goes against his/her faith-chart beliefs. Instead, this responsibility falls upon the professor/teacher in the same university at school providing those facts. However, it is anticipated that scholars will thoroughly analyze all available information and reach a definitive decision. Therefore, an unbalanced absence of impartiality is a fundamental academic transgression.